guys, welcome back to my channel, which is Explore the Adobe. This is Sunara Hanif, and in this tutorial I am going to show you that how you can create this trending brush effect, which is you may see it most likely on Instagram photos. So it is very popular these days. So I am going to show you that how you can create this effect. First, I am providing this brush effect in PNG format, so you can download it from the link which I have provided in description. So let's start it. Here you can see I have this canvas, and now I have this subject layer. First I will create a solid layer here. I think this is okay. Now I will turn on, I will make it visible my subject layer and take the selection of my subject by quickly select subject option, and a little bit I will use a select and mask if needed. I think it is okay. Now I am adding a layer mask. As you can see, the edges are not much good, so we need to fix it. Go to select and mask. Now if you want to watch the detailed tutorial that how we can easily use a select and mask option, you can easily watch it by clicking. I have provided a link in description. So you can see it. Okay, still the selection is not, because there is a shadow in the image, therefore it is happening, but we will fix it soon, like this. So I think now it's okay. Add a layer mask. Here you can see. Now just what you need to do, go and just drag your brush effect here. So it is very, let me first you need to convert it to smart object. Now press Ctrl or Command T. So you just need to resize it, make it in smaller size. Here you can see. So I think this size is okay here. So from here, first you need to bring top to your model. Take the copy of your model by Ctrl or Command J. Turn off your top one layer and just go to your below model layer and create a clipping mask like this. Now turn on, make visible your front layer and click on this layer mask. Go to your brush, make sure your foreground color is black, and here opacity and flow is 50% and opacity is 100%, and just start applying your brush in the middle size only. You have not to apply on the face, on the upward side, you have to apply it here simply. So actually what you have did, you have just keep the face and you have remove all the area below. So here you can see how easily you can create this effect. So I hope that you have enjoyed the video. If yes, please don't forget to like, subscribe and give your reviews in comment section.